most accurate forecast.
Good evening, I'm meteorologist Sabrina Fine. Temperatures today have been above average, but we will not see that until we get to Wednesday as a cold front is in our forecast. Normally right around 54 degrees, instead today 57 degrees. We will continue to watch those values though tumble as we also see some showers in our forecast. Right now though, the radar not picking up on anything. However, that front is just hours away. Temperatures ahead of that cold boundary. We're looking at 54 degrees out over toward the Inner Harbor. You continue to see out over toward Elkton about 52, Bel Air 52 as well. The wind speeds right now are not a big deal. But tomorrow, that's all we'll be talking about. Winds are going to be up to 10 to 20 miles per hour, and that will make the temperatures feel even colder than what the thermometer reads. The cold front right now making its way throughout portions of Ohio, kicking out over toward Pennsylvania. This rain band will begin to move through our area over the evening hours and stay with us until we get to about 9 a.m. And that's when we should start to see the rain coming to an end. Once it clears out, get ready for golden sunshine, but remember the wind is going to be there. So despite the sunny skies, the winds are going to increase, making not only the temperatures that have dropped 5 degrees, but probably feeling closer to 15 degrees cooler than what it was feeling like today. Then as we head on in through Tuesday, high pressure now in control, but with that clockwise flow continuing with the northwesterly winds. As a result, temperatures staying below average at the low 50s, but the winds will be gone, so at least it's finally going to feel like the lower 50s. Let's go ahead and take you hour by hour with your wind chill forecast, starting you off at 7 a.m. tomorrow. Remember, this is when the rain is coming down. That front has not yet cleared the area. So it still feels like maybe some of the upper 30s out toward Essex and Annapolis, feeling like 41 degrees ahead of that boundary. It all changes though right around your lunch hour. No longer do we have showers, instead the golden sunshine, but the high winds as well. So by 1 o'clock, it actually feels like 35 out over toward Parkton, Stevensville feeling like 42. The thermometer reading the lower 50s. Then your evening commute. Oh boy, man. Oh boy, I don't even like looking at these numbers. Feeling like 37 out toward the Inner Harbor, feeling like 30 for you out toward Parkton, and like 32 out toward Westminster as we really set the stages for a very cold Tuesday morning. Here's your wind forecast. Starting off at 8 a.m. wind gusting close to about 32 miles per hour out over toward the Inner Harbor, 30 for you into Easton. And then as the afternoon progresses, I think when we get close to about that 10 to 2 o'clock time frame, we really also see our winds increase the highest speeds. Here we go at 1 o'clock though, noticing some gusts occasionally in Essex, about 26, the same out over toward Elkton. Winds sustained though 10 to 20 miles per hour. Once we get closer to the evening, I think the sustained winds will start to drop, but still an occasional gust possible by 8 o'clock, 23 miles per hour into Columbia and 24 in Stevensville. Late Monday evening, the winds go calm, and with those clear skies is when we will see our temperatures flirting with the freezing point. That means the low 30s. So this is the time, go ahead and get the electric blankets on out, the big fleeces, because you'll be needing it not only in the morning, but the afternoon and evening as well. Tomorrow morning, we're going to start out with a chance of rain early on, so some clouds lingering until we get to about 11 o'clock. Then you'll end up seeing a little bit more sunshine. Temperature-wise, on into the lower 50s, only by 1 o'clock, 51 degrees. But what does that matter when really it feels more like the 40s for us? 7-day forecast for you. Windy on your Monday, the chance of morning rainfall. Then you notice Tuesday morning, 33 degrees, a high of only 50, but at least it feels that way. Wednesday night, we have our next cold front in our forecast. That brings a 20% chance of rain. And look at this Thanksgiving, a 90% rain chance, but temperatures are a little bit warmer for us. And then Black Friday, we end up seeing plenty of sunshine. Valerie?